This video will cover how to create a lead using the Leads module in Socket. The Leads module is a fully integrated client pipeline, letting you track incoming leads and handle your existing clients' renewals. You can manage your lead and renewal status, create proposals and progress deals through to approval, all within a Kanban style view on the Leads screen. When creating a lead, you first need to navigate to the Leads overview screen by using the Leads menu option on the left hand side. When you reach this screen, any leads you currently have will be shown in one of the categories of inquiry, in discovery, proposal in draft, or pending approval. You will also see any won or lost leads by accessing the won or lost section at the top there for your previous won or lost leads. To create a new lead, first click the New Lead option in the top right. When creating a new lead, you've got a number of different options. First, choose if this is a new or existing client. If it's an existing client, this is the option you would use to handle your renewals. Next, is this client registered with Companies House? If no, this will allow you to fill in your client details manually. If they are registered, you can use the Search Companies House to find your lead here. Once selected, choose your primary contact and fill in a contact email and phone number. Finally, fill in the lead details at the bottom. You can fill in a title, the owner of the lead, the deal size, and also whether this is a cold, warm or hot lead. Once you're happy with the details entered, select Create Lead. Your lead is now created successfully. If we navigate back to the Leads screen, you will see it here on the left hand side under Inquiry. You can drag this lead between the different sections as this lead progresses.